Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to enable partial screenshot in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Partial screenshot means with 3 fingers just you go to touch and hold on the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. But if it's not working, you go to do some changes in your settings of your phone. Okay, here in my phone I just keep 3 fingers touch and hold on the screen and it's not working. Okay, so if you would like to enable partial screenshot using 3 fingers touch and hold, as you can do it, what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to additional settings, and here select gestures and motions, and here turn on this button touch and hold with 3 fingers to take screenshot. Just to turn on this button so that screenshot can be taken hereafter. Go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot and with 3 fingers touch and hold on the screen and you can able to take a screenshot. See here, so draw any rectangle, that is called here partial screenshot. Okay, the entire screen the entire screen will not covered, so you can only take a part of entire screen. Okay, so it is called as partial screenshot, and click on the tick mark and it will be saved. So in this way you can easily enable 3 finger screenshot, that is a partial 3 finger screenshot in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.